Night brush. Thank you. Twice a day. Every day. For 2 minutes. This is not fun. This is not sex. You could take it. Skin taller. Just everyday work. Good, thank you. Baby. No cavities whatsoever. So good. You're doing good, you're doing good. Always gotta make sure you're brushing from the gum. Good. Time to floss. Dang. Now, time to floss. Just a little bit more. Open. Always want to get a good look at every single tooth. Alright. Get down. Let's go. Open. Not done. Most proudest moment is really when you run out of floss. It's like, days of work. Occupational hazard. Night brush.
Really hurts over here.
Yes, I know. We just left the dentist and we had a lot of stuff going on. We'll see. We still have to brush that too. Oh, well. We're starting to look decent. Yes, bleeding. Got our new silver tooth. Close a little. Right there. Let's keep it right there. Stop trying to anticipate my moves and just relax. Please. Relax. Relax. Spit. Come on. You can't give up on the ones you still got. Alright, done. Now it's time to floss. That's enough. Open. I'm gonna skip that because you got a temporary in there holding its place until we go back to the dentist when the pediatric office when Daddy sees you. Yeah, we still got floss. We still have to try. Alright.